And here is the last one of the 4 Craftmade CXLs. Sandstone White finish, 12-inch down rod, yada yada yada. Exact same as the other 3 minus the size of the down rod. December of 2003. (188/15) spinner motor inside. And we will start it up on low speed. And all of these do have the factory Craftmade gold pull chain fob. We'll bring it up to medium. This one, along with 2 others, will be for sale at the Lehigh Valley Convention. That is just over a week away. And all of the other ones, the other 3, they all run very well, but they shook a little bit. They wobbled a little bit. This one is literally perfectly still. So this is the only one that doesn't shake at all. We'll do spin down. And that is it for the last Craftmade CXL. And I did not mention it in this video, I'll say it again. These were all saved from a home renovation. So yeah, that's all I got for this one.